Hi, I'm Adam Mattis with Sterling Machinery Exchange. We've been buying, selling, and trading new and used equipment such as press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, milling machines, saws, and much more since 1954. Today I'm really proud to show you this machine. This is a used machine that just came in by one of our favorite companies that we work with. We actually sell their machines brand new as well. This is a Cincinnati Hydraulic 1/4-inch hydraulic shear. Heavy, heavy, heavy duty. Built in December of 2015. Very simple, easy machine to use. This is made for constant use every single day. Full 3-shift type machines. This is really what we're all talking about. When we say the heavy duty versus a light duty machine, this is top of the list. First, notice how fast the retraction is on this blade. If you want to talk about real production, on a hydraulic shear, that is the complete length of this cut right here, the full material length. Now, you'll see it's got all hydraulic hold downs. I want you to notice right here, if you can get in on that, that's Cincinnati on the blade. And what that means is they haven't even made enough cuts to wear down the name off of that. This machine is barely used. I think it has a 1-year wait and it's about as good as you can get. Now, there's a front gauge here where you're gonna go forward and reverse. This is gonna be your back gauge position. Right there, you can see it's 46 inches. You can slow down to inch into it, get right to where you need to be. And what that's gonna do is allow you, when you see here, we'll go around the back, you can see the back gauge now. And that back gauge is going to be a stop for the shear, a stop for your piece. As soon as you push the piece in, it's going to hit that back gauge and you're going to know you're exactly at the right position. No need for any measuring. This shear is really made for major production. So right here we're at 30 inches. 28, 29. I'm going to bring it right up to 30 inches. Perfect. Drop it right down. We have a stroke counter right here. Now we know where our gauge is at. As soon as we cycle, we'll know that our back gauge is in the right position. Now I'm going to take this piece of material and just push it in so you can see how that works. Here's your square arm. You're going to butt everything up to your square arm, push it in, and you can hear as soon as I hit that back gauge, there's no denying. You know you're going to be at that 30 inches. There's no need for measurements. Just go ahead, step on this pedal. Quick and clean cut. As I said, super, super sharp. The blade has barely been used, so has no problem with this diamond plate. We'll push this in, just let you see. We'll run all the way down. Everything here at Sterling Machinery we test out, make sure it's all working functionally. Comes with a 30-day warranty. As you can see, this machine's no different. Again, nice clean cut all the way down. Wanted to show you one other thing here. If you have different material thicknesses, it's really easy to change on this machine. You're just going to turn this knob right here. And what that does is going to change your rake and your gap. You have your material length as well. Now, when you change your rake and your gap, depending on how you're going to be cutting, if you're going to be cutting something like this, or cutting something that's the full 1/4 inch, you're going to want to have a bigger gap or a smaller gap to allow for a cleaner cut. This allows you really easily to go ahead and change with just the knob and go ahead and make your cut right after that. But I'll show you some other machines, how it's a little bit different for different operation. We'll stop the machine. The material length, if you want to cut a longer piece or a shorter piece, a 2-foot piece, if I was over at the other side there where I was, and I want to just keep pushing it in at this small area, if I do it over here on this other end, I'd set my material length to only come down here, and what's going to happen is this blade's only going to come down right to here and shoot back up. So it's going to be really quick production. Let's take a look at a couple other shears back here. Now we're here at Sterling Machinery at our fabrication, heavy duty machinery showroom. Here's a Derma, another hydraulic shear, very, very late model. Beat and bender, American made. It's a good old Y-Song American made. Now these are one reason that most people would usually choose a mechanical shear is because it's quicker. With that Cincinnati, you can see there is no difference. It's very, very quick. So usually you're gonna wait for the hydraulics to come back up. Takes a little bit of time. On a mechanical, it's quick up and down. On that particular Cincinnati, with the special pumps that they have built into it, very, very quick. On this machine, I wanted to show you how you would change your thicknesses in your gauge when you talk about your gap. Your gap means how close the blade is. So you're gonna have your blade farther in or out. On this particular machine, you'd have to undo these nuts and slide the entire bed of the machine back and forth, adjusting for that gap every time you wanted to go to some different thinner or thicker metal. With that hydraulic shear, you just turn that knob very, very easy. You can see we have Cincinnati press brakes here as well as all different types of brands. If you have something to buy, sell, or trade, let us know. We'd love to work with you. Let's take a look at a couple other shears that we have here. You can see we have a nice Earmac in the house right now. Beat and bender, Amada. We carry just about every brand. We're always looking to buy, sell, or trade. We have great financing options for you. Move over here. I just want you to take a look at this entire machine, just see how clean everything is. This is all the original condition and how we got it. The plant is closed down, had it for a few years, and it's gonna be on its way to you hopefully soon. Comes with a warranty. We work with Cincinnati. As you can see, we have other Cincinnati press brakes here on the floor, new as well as used. We have training here. Give us a call, let us know how we can help you out, what type of machine you're looking for. 626-444-0311, or check out our website for some great financing options, videos, pictures, specifications, and more at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor, or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311, and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.